Stella, and today I'm going to be showing you my squishy slash slime video or collection. So let's get started. Alright, the first one I have is this one, and it is, I call it my ocean sea slime. So let me get some out. I hope you can hear the popping sounds. And it can stretch really far, so I'm not going to stretch it. But yeah, I'm really sorry if you couldn't hear the popping sounds. Let me put you right here. Look at my knee. This is going to be like the worst quality video ever. But that's okay. Alright. So the next slime I have is this slime. And this is my purple slime that I got from my friend Anna. So let me just show you that. Can you even poke this one? I don't know if this one is soft enough. Pretty much. This one is really hard right now, even though I just made it softer. But yeah, it has green glitter in it. So, okay, this one is my strawberry sorbet one. Goodness. Hang on. You know what's fun, guys? Lucy is going to hold you. And we'll be doing this. Oops. That's one thing you can't do. So this one's kind of sticky, as you can tell. But, oh, yep. Okay. That's fine. There we go. So, be quiet for a second and you can hear the sounds. And again, sorry if you hear my sister. So there's that one. Alright. So yeah, there's my, oh goodness, okay. There's my strawberry sorbet slime. Alright, so here, oh, see, yeah, it's still sticking to me. Okay, here's my bubblegum slime. It looks like a white slime, but it's not. I'm really sorry because it is like really dirty. Look how dirty that is. That's really dirty. But so yeah, there's that one. Alright, then we have my mermaid slime, and this is slime from Target. So it has a little mermaid inside of it. But you can just get it in the Target dollar section. I don't know if all of you guys can, but it might not be at yours. So yeah. There's my mermaid slime, and it can make sounds. Okay, it doesn't want to make sounds right now, but that's okay. It's like noise putty, kind of. So then here is some of my ocean sea slime, but I made it crunchy by adding perler beads to it. So,
you already showed the ocean sea slime?
Yeah. This one you can't really poke.
Did you show this?
No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, this is
You.
so.
Did you show your purple one yet?
Yes. Okay. You can't really poke crunchy slimes. So, yeah. But there's that one. Ooh, it kind of makes the crunchy noise.
Not that much.
Not very much, though. Alright, now my squishies. Uh-oh, I think I dropped one, actually.
What?
Hang on. Let me go check for one. Dropped one. This will be a little bit quiet. apparently I lost it, which is awesome.
What one was it?
But that's okay. When I find it, I'll show it to you.
Thank you. Forgot to put the plate away.
Wow. Alright. So, here is one of the stress balls or squishies I made today. I call it a Swisher Swasher. It's really cool. It's just this bag with water, and then there's rubber bands inside of it. Sorry. And it's really cool. So, yeah. Alright, and then there's this one. And you can like blow it up and everything, and you can go like that. And then Hazel, be quiet. And then, can you see that? Can you see inside?
Yeah,
I'm letting some of the air out.
Oh my god.
I let some of the air out. There's confetti inside, and so I let some of the air out. So now it's not.
What if you could take all the confetti out? Then you would lose all of it. Because we lose a lot of stuff.
Oh, here's the other squishy. Okay, here's the other one. And I got this from the movie theaters.
But it's
$1 for each little like ball. So each one comes with 2. And I got this one. There's an orange one.
Don't put it.
And then a purple one.
I feel.
It's like a little worm thing. So
yeah, it's like or it could be like a popsicle or something.
So yeah. All right. Hang on. Let me have the camera.
I can't see.
What are you filming? Okay. So that's all of the things that I showed today, and I hope you have a good day. And just always remember to be happy. And I also hope you like this video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. So, yeah. See you in my next video. Bye.